Howdy folks, this is Andy Siegel. It's Monday evening, December probably 20, because Christmas is on Friday the 25th. So, I've been working on these two cabinets for the last month and a half probably. I can only work a couple hours a day, and so what we have is I have two cabinets that I've made. You see, I've got one that goes to here and to there, and then the other one goes from here to there. They're 24 inches wide and about 22 and a half, 23 and a quarter. I think it's 23 and a quarter deep. So this would be the wall, and this would be the facing out. Each of them has two doors. This one, there will be shelves. I'll probably have 2 to 3 shelves in there. And you see I make this face frame that the cabinet doors mount on. And then here's another set of 2 cabinet doors. And they will open up and there'll be drawers. So what I have to do yet here, I'll paint the doors. I gotta sand these plugs down. They cover screws that go from this board to that one. So these two, this one and this one, will hold CDs. The drawers will close, and then the doors will be like this. So I've got them clamped together here. See, I've got right there, I've got them about the way they should be. Although this face frame, unfortunately, was put on crooked, and you can see it right here. You see, so to fix that, I would have to cut all of this straight across, cut off about that much over here and over there, and I can tell you it would end up being something that would not be all that much fun, and it would be crooked as hell. So I took these little trim pieces that I put on the doors, and I took one, and I will put it at the bottom and tack it on, and that will give us a uniform edge all along here, because I've got these doors pretty well straightened up. So that's what I'll do once it's on. Now I also have a top that has to go on. And so I've got some hard maple boards here that Linda brought out for me. And that top has to be 24 inches. And I'm going to use this. This top here is about 16. So let's see. It's 16 inches. And so I'll take this wider board, plane it down to this thickness. And this thickness is about 7/8. And I'll glue them together and then cut it off. And that will be the top. This will be the side that goes by the fireplace. And I have to build out a little spacer. This is the top, and that top will cover this opening from here to here, and it'll come out and be even with the doors. So I know it doesn't seem like much, but it's still a fair amount of work when you're only working 2 to maybe 3 hours a day. So I'm looking forward to, this is my, okay, and then we'll change the fan speed to off and the lights to off. And if you look, you can see right there, the room temp is 68 degrees, and I've been running this fireplace all day. It's a gas fireplace, and it's warmed this room up nicely. There, now it's off. So anyways, this is almost done. I just gotta glue the top, do a little sanding on the doors, paint the face. Like I said, glue the top. Then I gotta make a base, and we'll carry it up and install it so that we've got the cabinet in there, and the top there will slide right underneath the rock. I'll be making a 2x4 base, and then a little trap that'll bring the allow the heat from the floorboards to come and into the room. So this is my workshop. Looks pretty much like it always did, except I've got a lot of the lumber over there sorted out. I've got a lot of lumber here and there. Those will be, that's going to be door stiles. I got to finish parts for it. This will be some of the window styles. This will be boards for the cabinet doors in the kitchen. We've got boards over here for face frames. This is the little jig that I bought and use to drill the holes for the hinges on the cabinet doors that I was just showing you. They're what's called European hinges. I buy them in boxes of 10, and when I use it, I drill a hole with this drill bit here into the framework. I told you over there that that'll be the frames for the doors. And then this goes in and gets screwed in, and then this part here gets screwed to the face frame of the cabinet that I'm working on. So I got a lot of projects down in here, but slowly but surely we'll get them done. Thanks for following the progress.